Hey handlers, so I'm back in this video to show you guys my BOXY CHARM for 2022. I subscribe to this every month, and what BOXY CHARM is a subscription that you subscribe to every month. It was $25 at first, but now it's $30, but it's still worth it because you get 5 pieces of full-size products that you can try out for the first time, or you might end up getting one of your favorite products. You never know. So I'm here today to open up the box with you guys, and I'm excited. So let's go, handlers. I would like to thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you for everyone that's watching. And you guys know this is YouTube. You know how this goes. If you're not signed up and you don't have an account, sign up. Become a handler. Let's get it. All right. So here we go. BOXY Charmers. I don't know if any of my subscribers subscribe to this, but it's a really good box. I really appreciate it. And I just wanted to say this is not sponsored. And it's going to be really quick. I'm not going to take too long, because when I watch BOXY Charm videos, I be like, oh, hurry up. I want to see what's in the box. So first of all, we get this card in the box every month, and it tells us the prices of what's in the box and who makes them, right? So on this card, with BOXY Charm, I want to say, first of all, it's $25, $30 a month, and you get at least $150 worth of products. Like, so you can't beat it. Like, it's amazing, right? So here goes the bubbly paper or whatever. And you got to be, what you have to do when you sign up for BOXY Charm, you have to do a survey. And the survey basically is you telling them what you like. What's your color? What's your, all that stuff. All right, so we're just going to pull the first thing out the box. And I already grabbed it, so here it goes. And the first thing out the box is this palette. And it's called Violet Voss by Sun-Kissed Summer. And on the card, it tells you how much it costs. So Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer eyeshadow, it costs $37 for this palette. I'm not going to go through I'm not going to read the whole thing because I don't want this video to be too long. But basically, achieve the most iconic summer look year-round with this universally flattering, warm, neutral palette. Okay? So we're just going to open it really quick. And there we go. So these are, these are the colors. I don't want to swatch them, but they're nice, summery colors. They are warm. All right, guys. So that's the first item in the box. And like I said, this palette, Violet Voss Sun-Kissed Summer Pro Series. I don't know who it's by, but right here it should tell us at Shop Violet Voss. So it's by Violet Voss. It's a new launch, and it's $37 for this one right here. All right, so next thing in the box, we're going to put that aside, and you usually get like 5 or 6 products in here. All right, so the next thing I grab out is, it's face products. I don't really use face products like that, so I don't know why they keep sending me face products. I didn't wear any lip gloss, anything in this video, because just in case I got some lip gloss or something that I could try on camera. But anyway, I got this Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish. Why when I say, never mind that. But Brightening Polish for face and body. Okay, I can work with that. So we're going to take this out. And this Volition Turmeric Polish. Yeah, that's what it is. And it's face and body, and it's a polish. So let's see what this do, guys. Okay, but that's neither here nor there. And this is the polish. Ooh. That's what it looks like. Ooh, oh. It feels like a scrub. Yeah. How to use. Gently massage onto wet skin and leave for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Apply to face and body once a week for external purposes only. It doesn't really have a smell. It smells like after you use it that it will have like a fresh smell. That's what it. But I like this. This is, I could work with this. And it has like a glow to it. So it looks like it will give your skin a glow. And this is Volition Beauty Turmeric Brightening Polish. And this product right here is $38. $38, guys. All right, so that's the other product. So already we're at like almost $75, $80. And that feels good. And it's moisturizing. Look, guys, what it did to my hands. All right, hopefully I get some lip stuff in this box because my lips are dry. All right, next, what's this? Lip Plumping Gloss. Okay, yes, Lip Plumping Gloss, and this is Kismet. Kismet Polish Lip Plumping Gloss. This is $18, and let me open this up because I would love my lips to have a fuller look. Ooh, it's so pretty. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right, let's try this. And it's in the color pink as I look at it, but do they have a specific name for this? John 14, 1 through 4. Wow. It has like a Bible verse on it. Oh, I'm going to have to look that Bible verse up. It says, plump your lips and reduce wrinkles in one simple swipe. Let's see. Ooh. I love it. I love it, guys. Right up my alley. Just the color that I wanted. I love it. Needs a little lip liner or whatever, but I love it, guys. I love this. Oh my gosh. Kismet. This one is my favorite so far. I'm sorry for the, This is my favorite so far. Lip Plumping Gloss. I don't feel any burning sensation yet. That's why I don't like lip plumping products because sometimes they burn your lips. But this is $18 and it's a new brand to BOXY. And I love it. As sweet and soft as a baby, this lip gloss offers up the ideal pinky nude palette. The perfect everyday gloss. Pump your lips and reduce wrinkles in one simple swipe. This Whisper lightweight treatment moisturizes and provides natural, glossy finish. I love it. All right, so guys, subscribe to BOXY CHARM. It's worth it. I have a little backstory for when I was traveling one time and I had, like, I'm not even kidding, over $2,500 worth of makeup stolen from me. And I know it was from the person that works at JetBlue, but it's all good. But, yeah, it was too heavy for my luggage and I couldn't bring it. So I took it out right at the counter and I put it in my big bag that didn't have a lock on it, and she saw me do it. When I got to Jamaica, it's a good thing I had another bag in that I carried that had like makeup, everyday makeup, but all my Fenty, all my anyway, we're gonna go talk about that. Next item is Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant. Ooh. Kind of like what's going on with this BOXY CHARM for June 22. Lasts through 3 washes. What is this? What is this? Let's see. Liquid Glass. It's by Miracle Soothing Sealant, and I don't see it really quick. Okay, here it goes. Dry bar. Meet the ultimate frizz fighter. Heat activated technology and invisible shield around each hair strand. Oh, to provide frizz resistance. Leaves hair super glossy, silky finish without weighing hair down. Lasts through 3 washes, protects from heat. And handlers, for us handlers, this is good. And this is $34. So that's what I like about BOXY CHARM. You'll get items that you never even knew about. Ooh, it smells so fresh. And this probably will be so good for my scalp, guys. Oh, yes, it feels so good. It feels good. It feels good. I'm going in. Yeah, I love this. Miracle Smoothing Sealant. I like this. Yes, I like this. Liquid glass. And I guess it's going to make my hair shiny. And my roots shiny. All right, so this is awesome. Thank you, BOXY CHARM. All right. Next item is Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. All right, this is by Chella. Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. This is $35. Hello, beautiful. This long-wearing liner glides on effortlessly. With its uniquely designed tapered brush, these two shimmering shades, black and icy blue, contain rich pearl pigments that provide a smudge-proof luminous effect. All right, so do we use this on our eye or do we use this on our lips? But with the colors that it said, liquid eyeliner, duh. All right, let me see. Oh, God. It's one of these that we got to tear open. And let me try to get this open. And my handlers, remember, well, not my handlers, but to the ones that's watching and that's not subscribed. You guys know this lip gloss is everything. But to the ones that's watching and not subscribed, can you guys just go and hit the subscribe button already? Like, this is YouTube. We know how this thing works, right? Why watch a video that you like and at this point still watching and haven't pressed subscribe? Why? Just do it. Just do it. This is Alicia Handles It. To anyone that's first time on my channel, and on this channel we deal with unboxings. We mostly do hair tutorials and educational stuff as far as hair and just like client cam and stuff like that. But I mean, as time goes on, I'm new here on YouTube, so we never know what can happen. I'm kind of unpredictable, so it's gonna be fun over here eventually, guys. So I think you guys should stick around, right? It's going to be like, we're going to be having block parties and all that stuff on the channel. Not like for real, but yeah. Anyway, so that's why I hate, I knew when I opened this that I was like, oh God. All right, good. I have my razor. All right, so let's see what's going on with this Chella liner. Okay, ooh. Look at that, guys. This is the blue side. Ooh. Ooh. And look how that is awesome how, ooh. Yes. I'm so mad I waited till the sun went down. But it's life. We got to do what we got to do, right? All right. So this is the other side. And that side was called Icy Blue. So this side is black. Ooh, I can't wait because I love trying to do my little wing liner. I'm still trying to become a wing liner professional, but I'm trying to get there, but I'm not there yet, but I'm not there yet, but I'm getting there, guys. Okay. All right, so, ooh, I love liners that's this thin because see that? Oh, awesome. All right. I hope I'm not talking too loud on this video. But this is Chella Dual Eyeliner, which I love, 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 love. And it's $35. Like, if I went to Sephora and I saw this for $35, I wouldn't have bought it. I would have been like, hell no, I'm not buying that for $35. And I never used it before and I don't know, nothing about it. So, that's one of the reasons why BOXY CHARM is good, guys. And the reason why I told you guys the story about the airport situation is because I didn't know where to start back my makeup collection. I didn't know where to start. So I joined BOXY CHARM and they sent me palettes, they sent me concealers, mascaras, blushes, brushes. They send you all kind of stuff. So subscribe to BOXY CHARM. It's a little bit more right now, but honestly, with everything on here, it's over $150. And you're only spending $25, $30. Can't go wrong, right? And that's it for the opening of June 22 BOXY CHARM, guys. And I love it. Everything was nice. The glass liquid finish, the palettes, the this, and the this, and my lip gloss. It's beautiful. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. And I hope you guys join BOXY CHARM. It's not a sponsored video, but I'm just telling you guys what I like. And stay around to see the next video. I don't know what that's going to be, but it's going to be a surprise. All right? So thanks for watching, and I love you guys, and see you in the next video. Mwah!